Good morning. This is Arun, Assistant Professor, Islamia College Autonomous, Vaninbadi. Today we are going to see how the data is represented in the computers. Last class we have discussed about the introduction to computer organization and architecture. Now we will see the data representation in computers. Computers uses a fixed number of bits to represent a piece of data, which could be a number, a character, or others. That is, computers knows only zeros and ones. You call it as a machine language or machine code or a low level language comprised of binary digits, that is zeros and ones. Okay. A n-bit storage location can represent up to 2 power n distinct entities. So 2 power n, a n-bit storage location can represent up to 2 power n distinct entities. For example, a 3-bit memory location, can hold one of these 8 digits, that is 2 power 3. See here, see the patterns below. 0, that is the value for 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. This is the value for 0, this is the value for 1, this is the value for 2, this is the value for 3, this is the value for 4, this is the value for 5, 6 and 7 up to 0 to 7. That is 2 power 3 is 8. For example, here there is 2, its power n. What the value we are giving here, that is n. So here I am giving 3, 2 power 3 is 8, that is 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2 8, that is here represented 8 digit numbers. So see here 8 numbers in the form of 3 digit can hold one of these 8 binary. See 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 or 7. Hence it can represent at 8 modes distinct entities. You can use them to represent 0 to 7 and numbers from 8881 to 8888, that is from 1 to 8, characters from A to H. So this is how the data is represented. Okay, next we will go to the number systems. Okay, computer use binary base 2 number system because computer knows only the machine code, that is 0 and 1s. That is why base 2, 0 and 1, 2 digit. So that is what base 2, as they made from binary digital components known as transistor operating in 2 states, that is on and off. Okay, that is zeros and ones. In computing, we also use hexadecimal or octal number systems as a compact form for representing binary numbers. In computers, we are not only using the binary number system. Here we are also using the hexadecimal with base 16. Hexadecimal means from 16, from 0 to 15, totally 16. And octal or octal, that is 0 to 7 number systems as a compact form for representing binary numbers, that is 0 to 7 octal. Okay, we will see these number system one by one. First we will see decimal base 10 number system, then binary base 2 number system, then hexadecimal base 16 number system. Okay. And octal I have said that 8, base 8. See here, that is base 8. First we will see the decimal number system. See here, decimal number system has 10 symbols from 0 to 9. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 called digits. It uses positional notation. that is the least significant digit, rightmost digit, is of the order of 10 power 0 units or ones. Okay. That is the least significant digit, rightmost digit is of order of 10 power 0 units or ones. The second rightmost digit is the order of 10 is to power 1, that is tens. Third rightmost digit is order of 10 is to power 2 hundreds, and so on, where power denotes exponent. For example, we have taken 3 digit, that is 735, that is 700 plus 30 plus 5 equal to how this 700 came, and how this 30 came, and how this 5 came. See here, 7 into, that is here this is ones, this is tens, and this is hundreds. See here, this is what they have said in the said here. This is what they have said here. See here, 5 into 10 is to power 0, that is exponent. See here, then plus 10 is to power 1. See the second rightmost digit, this is right, first rightmost digit, second rightmost digit, and third rightmost digit. So for the first rightmost digit we have given that is 10 power 0. Second rightmost digit we have given 10 power 1, that is 3 into 5 into next, that is the hundreds. So 7 into 10 power 2. From the right only we are, from the that is the least significant digit, from the right only we are moving towards the left. So 5 into 10 to the power 0 plus 3 into 10 to the power 1 plus 7 into 10 to the power 2. Okay. See, any 10 to the power 0 is 1. So 5 into 1, 5 plus 3 into 10 to the power 1, that is 3 into 10, 30 plus 7 into 10 to the power 2. Okay, that is 10 to the power 2, 10 into 10, 100, 100 into 7, 700. So totally 735. This is what the decimal base number system. Next we will go for the binary base 2 number system. Binary number system has two symbols, zeros and ones, called bits. It is also a positional notation. For example, here there is a 5 digit with B stands for base. Okay, we will see the explanation for this. So, in the similar manner what we have said for the decimal number system. Here see, from the rightmost, 0 into 2 to the power 0 plus 1 into 2 to the power 1 plus 1 into 2 to the power 2, 0 into 2 to the power 3 plus 1 into 2 to the power 4. See, from rightmost, 0, 1, 1, 0. So for 0 power 0, for 1 power 1, for another one 2, here 3, here 4. So what the based on the base. So in the decimal we use 10 to the power 0, but here we are using 2 to the power 0 because the base of decimal is 10. Here the base of decimal is, for binary, is 2. Okay. So denote a binary number with a suffix b. See here, 0 plus 10 plus 100 plus 000 plus 100 will be having this value. Some programming language denote binary numbers with prefix OB or OB in the form like this. So OB 1000 or prefix B with the bits quarter. Example for this is B 1000 1111. A binary digit is called a bit. 8 bits is called a byte. So a single 0 is a bit or single 1 is a bit. 8 bits together we call it as a byte. Why 8 bit is a unit? So probably because 2 is the 2 to the power 3 is equal to 8. Already in the second slide itself I have explained. Now we will go to the hexadecimal or base 16 number system. Okay, hexadecimal number system uses 16 symbols from 0 to F, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. A represents 10, B represents 11, C represents 12, D represents 13, E represents 14 and F represents 15. This you call it as hexa digits. So 0 to 7, that is 8 digit, you call it as octal. 0 to 9 you call it as decimal. Zeros and ones you call it as binary number system. From 0 to F, that is 0 to 15, you call it as hexa digits. Okay, it is a positional notation. For example, see here A3 EH. So what is C here? E is 4. E, what is E here? E is 14. A is 10, 3, E is 14 and H is the hexadecimal. H stands for hexadecimal. See here A00H plus 30H plus EH. Okay. See here, what is the base for hexadecimal? 16 is the base for hexadecimal. So here also from the rightmost digit, from the rightmost digit we are moving towards the leftmost. Okay. See here 14 into, I have already said E is 14. So see here it is 10, it is 11, it is 12, it is 13, it is 14 and it is 15. See here 14 into base is 16 power 0 plus 3. See here next digit is 3. So next leftmost digit is 3. See here 3 into 16 is to the power 1 plus 10 into 16 is to the power 2. Next leftmost position is A. What is A? A is 10. So this is how this answer comes. This is the assignment operator, equal to use the assignment operator in the computer. Some program here we shall denote a hexadecimal number in short with X with a suffix H. That is why they are using here H. Some programming language denote hexa numbers with prefix 0x or 0x, small x or x. Example 0x 1a 3c 5f or prefix x with x digits quoted. Example x c3 a4 d9 8b. So this is how you will represent a hexadecimal number system. So this is how the data is represented in the computer. So let's go again to the first slide. See here, computer uses a fixed number of bits to represent a piece of data, which it could be a number or it could be a character or others. So everything is represented in zeros and ones. That is how the data is represented in a computer. So here binary information, where it stores binary information in a digital computer is stored in a memory or a processor register. What is a thing about it? The data types found in the registers of digital computers may be classified as one of the following categories. It may be numbers used in arithmetic computations, letters of alphabet used in data processing, and other discrete symbols used for specific purposes. All types of data except binary numbers are represented in computer registers in the binary coded form. This is because the registers are made up of flip-flops. Why I am saying these things and all? The registers here in digital computer, binary informations are stored in registers. The registers are made up of flip-flops. You know, flip-flops are the two-stated device. Two-stated device means 0 and 1s. There are many types of flip-flops. You have already seen in DLF, Digital Logical and Fundamentals, that is SR flip-flop, clocked SR flip-flop, JK flip-flop. So it represents only two states. That is what I have said, that binary information in digital computers are stored in memory or processor registers. So only the registers as what it has? It has only flip-flops. So it has only two states, zeros and ones. That is why the data represented in computers are in the form of binary number system, zeros and ones. That is a machine code. Thank you. In the next section, we will see about the integer representation and fixed point representation and floating point representation. Thank you.